Hi everyone, this is my progress report for Group 1's development of New to UH. We're creating the app in the MIT App Inventor. On Thursday after class, John, Shauna, and I decided how to divide up the work and discussed our roles and the timeline for developing the functional prototype. We confirmed our roles based on the proposal. We had me as the project manager, Shauna as a content developer and writer, John as a technology research and information architect. Our communication would be shared via a Google Doc shown here, and we would check in via text every Sunday evening or sooner as needed. Group members will use this Google Doc to document any concerns, progress, share tools as we progress through the development. Based on the layout of our prototype, we decided to divide up the work as follows. John would take care of 1, which is the home page, 2, menu, and 9, the welcome screen, as well as the overall merging of the project. I will do slides 3 and 4, which are the news, and 8, which is for majors. And Shauna would do 5, 6, which are hidden gems, and 7 for food. During the Sunday evening check-in, I discovered that I needed to take Dr. Grace's advice and read the App Inventor merger document, because a few concerns came as I started to set up my project. 1, how are we going to set up each project and page? 2, should we use a consistent layout with banner and font? And 3, what would make things easier for John once he merges the overall project? So after we text messaged each other and collaborated our ideas, I started to set up my project in the MIT App Inventor. What I did was I went ahead and created a new project called New to UH Park. I added screens and labeled each one based on the pages that I was assigned. 1 is default, so I couldn't get rid of that, but I'm working on 3 and 4 for the news, and then 8 for majors. I decided to work on the layouts as drawn based on the paper prototype, but I anticipate having to make adjustments as I learn what will work and what will not in the Genymotion emulator. This is supposed to be screen 3 and 4, and for screen 3, I just set the layouts out, and then for screen 4, which is supposed to go straight into 4 from 3, I again went ahead and put all the buttons in there. This is what it's supposed to look like for screen 8. I did not do anything in terms of blocks. I decided not to test the Genymotion emulator today. I will hold off on that and work on that in the next progress report. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to set up the layouts, and I need to also do some serious researching and find my content. In terms of content, in screen 3 and 4, I need to look for pictures to represent the news pages. I need to develop verbiage for the main news page in screen 3, and this is an example on how to actually link the UH news link based on 1 click and how it will link from screen 3 to 4, thinking that I need to select web in the connectivity. For screen 8, I still need to find pictures to represent the major page, and I need to research all the majors that are offered. I have this information in the UH Manoa Academic to figure out how to organize the material as well as how not to overwhelm the viewer. I need to find a way to link my website to this app. I'm thinking web in connectivity. I need to figure out also how to add a quiz, and I'm thinking that this quiz will help current and prospective students discover what major is best suited for them. Well, that's it for now. Till next week's progress.